Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg jollof rice step by step. First, gather all your ingredients including 2 cups of rice, a large onion, 2 red bell peppers, 3 plum tomatoes, and 4 to 6 eggs. Begin by boiling your eggs until they are hard, then peel them and set them aside. Next, blend the onion, bell peppers, and tomatoes into a smooth paste, preparing your flavorful base. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and sauté them until they become translucent and fragrant. Pour in the blended tomato and pepper mixture, letting it cook down for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Finally, mix in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of thyme, and a pinch of salt to enhance the rich flavors. Once your sauce has thickened, it's time to add the rice. Pour in 2 cups of parboiled rice and 3 cups of chicken broth, stirring gently to combine everything. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. In the last 5 minutes of cooking, carefully fold in your peeled hard-boiled eggs, allowing them to warm through with the rice. After the rice is tender and the liquid has absorbed, remove the pot from the heat. Fluff the jollof rice gently with a fork, then garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley for a vibrant finish. Serve your delicious egg jollof rice warm, either on its own or alongside your favorite side dishes. It's a truly satisfying meal. Also, for an effortless way to keep your kitchen spotless, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.